Okay guys, we're gonna put the lids together for the stretched saddlebags. Just a couple things. Screwdrivers, a Phillips. I have the standard size and a little shorty one. And some Loctite. You don't need a lot. It's a pretty straightforward task. Let's get to it. Okay, to put this all together, we've got our latch mechanisms. We have our assorted screws, latch covers, and the inserts and adhesive for the covers. We've got our hinges, we've got some handles, locks and keys, the tether and the tether supports, and finally we have the lid seals. Let's get started with the throttle side lid. We've got these clips to go in place that hold the latch mechanism in. And now we have something to screw into. Mechanism fits nicely in place. We're gonna put on the handle. There's a wee little seal that goes on the handle. You can see the handle has a funny shape. It only goes in one way, so you'll figure it out. We're gonna put a little bit of Loctite on the bolt that holds the handle in, just so that the handle doesn't come loose. Good. Slide it in. You'll feel it. Slide that long screw in. Get your little stubby. Okay, we're gonna put the lock cover on. So this one just lines up. Next up, you have the seal for the lid. This is going to keep the weather out. We're not going to remove the adhesive for the purposes of the demonstration, but you'll just dry fit it into the channel. And the seal is pliable, it's very flexible, it stretches a little bit so you can get the length that you need. You slide it all the way in here, and you'll remove the adhesive so that your seal sticks. I'm going to put the tether strap onto the lid.
What's going on today?
I'm like Butterfingers today. It's a real thing. Nasty Hog. We line up the tether strap. There it is. Easy peasy.